So by 25 years, it was not for ice cream and cake and what. I was working, doing a lot of work there. So many people are testifying here. They told me for my cake. I'm the one who connected them to that state house sponsorship. They speak by themselves. I'm not talking for them. Me, I've helped a lot of Acholis. The cows that were paid here in Acholi, the last 5 billion, the first and last you saw, it was my work. I'm the one who went and fought with those people in finance and said, my people, the cows. Now when you send Ubina, in very few days, you will see. Me, I don't compromise on quality. When my people are suffering, I don't have the ear. When you treat me well and my people are happy, we are happy together. I did that even before you took me to Parliament. I went and fought for the cows of the Acholi. So many things I've done. But because when you're with the president, you're not with the community. Now it is time for you to know me. Embrace me and know me. And we are going to move very, very far together.